Hi everyone, hope you're all doing good. So today we're going to explain you about Notion, which is a very handy platform online. As you know, Notion is a very good place where you can put all your data. If you have an organization where you have different departments, so you can compile all the information and segregate it in a very good way. The layout is very nice and it's a wonderful uh, tool, you can say, to manage your data. So I'll just show you the screen in which we have various departments in our company, and over there we are managing the data of different departments. So if we come on the main page or the main spaces that we have here, you can see that we have all the departments, right? Where you can see the cursor, we have business development, which is a department. We have customer support, engineering, fleet. This is the journal page where every employee has access. This is HR, legal, marketing, operations. So each department or each section has its own data that has been managed by their relevant department managers in a very nice way. Like if you can see the business development, they have managed all their data like this. So in the same way, if you have a company where you have different departments and you have their data, it could be managed to whatever heads they have or whatever particular headings they have. They can go and maintain their data in page form. Just like you can see, I'm showing you one of the page in the business development department. So here, if we go back and if I could bring you to the HR section, here you can see again that we have all the data available. So this was the business development. Now we have HR, so you have all the policies available like this. So you can just go and go through the policy. Even you could share it on the journal page where all employees could see it, or if in this space whosoever has access can view this policy. Similarly, you can just go on the space and like HR, and you can view the other document like the communication policy. So this is how data is managed. Over here you have another onboardings page where we have all the information regarding the onboardings of employee, how it is done. So in this way you can manage relevant data of your departments in a very nice manner, and it's very easy to access whenever you want to go and see. For example, you want to see the job descriptions, so here you have all the job descriptions. So if you want to see the digital marketer's job description, you can come and go over here. How these pages are made, it's very simple. Anyone who uses computers can easily access how this information is made. But I will definitely share a video on how you can make these pages, or if you want to make any table or attach any documents, you can do every kind of all kinds of stuff over here in Notion. It's a wonderful tool.